Make money online, high-income skills worth learning. In this modern era, making money might seem tough, but remember, it's not impossible if you're determined, smart, and creative. Online earning opportunities can come your way. Who here wants to earn online? Maybe some are tired of the 9-to-5 grind or are jobless. Hey there, welcome back to our channel Future Forbes. Imagine waving goodbye to the mundane 9-to-5 and saying hello to a world where skills aren't just valuable, they're high-octane, money-magnetizing powerhouses. So now, this time you will get inspiring skills to boost your money-making efforts. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet and are new here, there's great news. Subscribers receive a gift. Worried about subscribing yet? No need to be. You'll receive a gift upon subscribing, so hit the subscribe button and remember to tap the bell icon to stay connected. Now let's start with web design. How many of you are familiar with it? But few know how this is beneficial in terms of earning money. Chapter 1: Web Design. Web design is a competitive job where people create websites. It might seem tricky to find work if you're starting, but guess what? There are different ways to earn money as a web designer online. Once you're on your way as a designer, there are exciting ways to earn money online. You can explore freelance marketplaces where people hire freelancers for various jobs. While big platforms like Upwork exists, there are also smaller ones with less competition. Another avenue is creating and selling website templates and themes. Websites like Theme Forest offer a platform to sell your designs. You can also assist businesses in building websites using WordPress, and you can earn by recommending web hosting and plugins. Offering hosting services to clients is an intelligent approach. Hosting their websites on your server and charging a fee can complement your design work. You can also specialize in setting up online business stores using platforms like Shopify. For those seeking more investment, flipping websites for profit is an option. You can either build new websites or purchase existing ones, enhance their value, and sell them for a higher price. Learning about SEO, search engine optimization, opens doors to providing optimization services to help websites rank better on search engines. Moreover, offering maintenance services, aiding clients in updating and managing their websites, is another valuable income stream. Chapter 2: Video Editing. The demand for video editing is soaring, yet the industry grapples with a significant predicament. A deluge of video editors inundates the landscape, flooding inboxes daily with offers to refine content for various platforms. However, this surge in quantity is inversely proportional to quality, as most aspirants flounder in mediocrity. These editors often mimic trending styles without mastering the craft, resulting in an overwhelming majority of subpar outcomes. This need for more proficient editors has reduced the hunt for a capable video editor to a proverbial needle-in-a-haystack search. Learning video editing software is a modest feat, but the actual art is sculpting captivating narratives, leveraging transitions, audio and shots to create compelling stories. The technical learning curve is relatively lenient within the tapestry of video editing. Tools like Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere can be conquered with time and dedication. However, proficiency in operating software merely scratches the surface. The true essence of effective video editing transcends the mastery of programs. The crucial nexus emerges from comprehending the anatomy of a captivating video, deciphering the intricate interplay of transitions, audio, shots, and narrative structure. This elusive concoction forms the hallmark of a proficient video editor. Even as experienced creators grapple with the intricacies of the craft, the absence of adept practitioners in the market remains to be noticed. Bridging this gap necessitates not only technical prowess, but also an artistic flair. This innovation pact aligns incentives, encouraging both parties to strive for excellence. The creator seeks to amplify their earnings through engaging content, while the editor aspires to craft videos that maximize returns. Unlike the conventional fixed-fee model, this approach fosters collaboration towards a common goal. While this concept holds its promise, its widespread adoption needs to be improved. Convincing creators to relinquish a portion of their earnings necessitates a paradigm shift. Yet for proven and skilled video editors, this could signify an opportunity to pave a new path and reshape the dynamics of their craft. Chapter 3: AI Prompting. In the evolving technological innovation landscape, an emerging trend known as AI prompting is poised to reshape how individuals interact with artificial intelligence. The parallels drawn to the ubiquitous usage of search engines like Google are uncanny, as adept searchers distinguish themselves from casual users by their refined querying skills. AI prompting requires finesse in extracting precise information from AI models like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Many individuals encounter a sense of uncertainty when faced with the blank canvas of an AI prompt, struggling to frame their queries effectively. This burgeoning field is where the art of AI prompting flourishes, necessitating a strategic approach to harness the true capabilities of AI tools. As technology matures, mastering AI prompting is primed to become a coveted skill, enabling individuals to leverage AI for optimal results, cost-effectiveness, and productivity across various domains. In marketing, the integration of AI is rapidly redefining strategies and outcomes, and a valuable resource has emerged to guide professionals through this dynamic landscape. HubSpot's comprehensive document, The State of AI Marketing in 2023, offers a vital compass for marketers navigating the AI revolution. This 33-page resource elucidates the current AI landscape, delving into real-world applications, practical tips for seamless integration, and visionary insights into the future of AI-powered marketing. Covering a wide array of AI tools and techniques, the document caters to marketers seeking to elevate their strategies, enhance their efficiency, and unlock new dimensions of success. From refining SEO tactics to devising data-driven plans, this resource illuminates how AI can be harnessed to amplify marketing endeavors, ultimately driving results, saving time, and augmenting ROI. With a treasure trove of AI tools and HubSpot's contributions, this document stands as a cornerstone for marketers harnessing AI's transformative potential, turning it into a steadfast ally in their pursuit of excellence. Chapter 4: Marketing and Sales. Reflecting on the concepts presented earlier and the visual framework that initiated this discussion, one skill emerges as undeniably pivotal: the mastery of marketing and sales. Amid the prevalent misconceptions surrounding these domains, a potent revelation surfaces: the misguided notion that sales and marketing lack genuine value. This fallacy belies the truth that these disciplines are the lifeblood of business, the driving force behind revenue generation. Regardless of the caliber of one's creation or service, its potential lies dormant without adept marketing and sales strategies. Analogous to holding the cure for sickness but withholding it from those in need, the profoundness of marketing's role cannot be overstated. Initially marred by apprehension, I was hesitant, deeming marketing somewhat tainted, yet the trajectory of my conviction has radically shifted. Over the past few years, I've realized that potent marketing can propel even modest products to financial success, while exceptional offerings left unheralded languish in obscurity. This knowledge, akin to an infinite financial loophole, traverses specific ventures and transcends industries. The acquisition of this skill is thus a treasure of unparalleled magnitude. So imagine there's some person. They've embarked on this wild ride, delving deep into making money online. And guess what? Along the way, they've discovered 3 superpowers that have turned their bank account into a happy place: web design, video editing, and marketing and sales, the granddaddy of them all. They've devised this magic recipe where all these skills blend to make business dreams come true. Imagine this, okay? Think of a wood wizard, one of those folks who can transform a chunk of timber into a masterpiece of furniture artistry. Sure, they've got the whole crafting thing down to a pat, but here's the plot twist. Getting those incredible creations to hog the limelight is the real quest, and that's where our 3 heroes of skill swoop in like the Avengers. You've got web design, ensuring the artisan's online showcase is sleeker than a dolphin's back. Then video editing steps in, turning the crafting process into a cinematic experience that reveals the sweat, splinters and sheer love that go into each piece. But hold on tight, because the show's star is that marketing sales combo. These two aren't just a pair, they're like the peanut butter and jelly of entrepreneurship. They're the ones who shout from the digital rooftops, "Hey world, check out this furniture magic!" So, in a nutshell, our online trailblazer has cracked the code. It's not just about what you create, but how you tell the world about it. Thank you for joining us today. How did you find these skills? Tell us in the comment box. Remember to subscribe to this Future Forbes channel for more insightful content on AI and the economic world.